Spoon. I use a spoon to eat soup. Fork. A fork helps me pick up food easily. Knife. I cut vegetables with a sharp knife. Plate. I put my meal on a plate. Cup. I drink coffee from a cup. Bowl. I eat cereal from a bowl every morning. Glass. I pour water into a glass to drink. Mug. My morning tea goes in a big mug. Teapot. I brew tea in a teapot. Pan. I fry eggs in a pan. Pot. I boil pasta in a pot. Spatula. A spatula helps me flip pancakes. Whisk. I whisk eggs to make them fluffy. Tongs. Tongs are useful for grabbing hot food. Ladle. I use a ladle to serve soup. Measuring cup. A measuring cup helps me add the right amount of milk. Measuring spoon. I measure spices with a measuring spoon. Colander. I drain pasta with a colander. Cutting board. I chop vegetables on a cutting board. Grater. I use a grater to shred cheese. Rolling pin. A rolling pin flattens dough for baking. Peeler. I peel potatoes with a peeler. Can opener. I open cans with a can opener. Bottle opener. A bottle opener helps me open drinks. Blender. I make smoothies in the blender. Toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. Microwave. I heat up food in the microwave. Oven mitt. I wear oven mitts to handle hot dishes. Mixing bowl. I mix ingredients in a large bowl. Kitchen timer. A timer helps me avoid overcooking food. Sifter. I use a sifter to remove lumps from flour. Baking tray. I bake cookies on a baking tray. Ice cube tray. I make ice cubes in the ice tray. Thermometer. A thermometer checks the meat's temperature. Dish rack. I let dishes dry on the dish rack. Tea infuser. I steep loose tea leaves in a tea infuser. Garlic press. I crush garlic with a garlic press. Zester. I use a zester to add lemon zest to recipes. Pizza cutter. A pizza cutter slices pizza perfectly.